Hello, and welcome to Referencer. Referencer allows you to cross-reference figures, tables, and section titles using built-in bookmarks in Google Docs. To begin, add a bookmark to your document. Select text, insert, bookmark. The bookmark is added. Now we need to link the bookmark. We select the text, insert, link, and we want to attach it to the bookmark. From here we can run Referencer, add-ons Referencer, update references, and the link the bookmark update appropriately. Now if we want to remove them, we can go back and select remove references, and the link highlighting is removed. We can also add headings to the document using the built-in heading tools, and this specifies the depth on the work tree. If we want to number these, we can go to add-ons, Referencer, and auto number headings. And they are appropriately updated. We hope you enjoy.